Hello guys, so today's video is about the product which I ordered from the Amazon, and it is nothing but the BOBO BH10 Pro Plus. So this is the product which I got it for 2499, some odd price, whereas the MRP it shows at 4499. And this product is related to the bike, so you can see the unboxing of this. So it comes with the vibration controller, and these are the accessories in the same. There is a BOBO keychain also, a genuine BOBO keychain, and the mobile holder mount. So the bike is washed and kept, and we are ready to install the BOBO BH10. This is my older phone holder. On the bike I had used this because I was scared that my phone camera might be spoiled on this. So we will first remove this and then put the new mobile mount. So this is my GPS mount over here, and that's the speedometer. So the BOBO phone holder will come right on top of this. So we have finally fixed the mount. Now we will place the mobile holder right on top of it. And now you have to just make sure that it is right in the center, and we will easily place it on it, and we will rotate the lock. And once it is completely tightened, you are ready to go. See, now I'm rotating it. Yes. So yes, once it is completely tightened, we are ready to use it. Make sure that you place it as per your convenience, like how you like it. And also make sure that it is right at the center. You can see your screen and mount is right below each other, and that's how the mount looks from the side. This is the damper and the protection for your camera lens and everything. So this squeezes up. So I've kept the charging port on the right hand side because my charging port is over here. I will be putting up the charging port with the cable, right? It will come on the right hand side. Make sure that you open this. See, this is the protection, what you get. This is a damper basically, and that's how it is. The review I'll be putting up about it once I start riding using my phone on this, and probably soon I'm gonna do that. So see you later. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.